It's appetizer season in this house, and this one does not disappoint. Recipes at the end to screenshot. Start by whipping up your cream cheese. I'm using my Flex Plus today, and then I'm turning it into the food processor so you can actually just chop or dice your shrimp. I just like to shred it because then I can get it in every single bite. I add a little bit more horseradish than the normal person, followed by some ketchup, and then we're going to throw in some Worcestershire sauce and then get ready for your lemon hack of the day. I like to throw my citrus fruit in the microwave before I juice it, just for about 10 seconds. It just releases everything. Give it a good massage, and then you can see the juices just flow freely. So easy. And then I'm going to give another big pulse to get it all combined. And then I'm switching my food processor out into a mixer, and it's all cordless, which is super handy. And then I'm going to mix it all together with the cream cheese. And then we're going to serve it up. I know that it looks probably gross, but oh my gosh, we were obsessed. It did not last long at all.